These are the legal concepts in the law of contract. First we have seen the contract. Second is the voidable contract. And third is the agreement. So for the every agreement, offer or the proposal is necessary, and with that acceptance is necessary. An agreement is a promise. Agreement is a promise between the two entities creating mutual obligation for the consideration for each other by law. An agreement which is not enforceable by law is said to be void. All agreements can be classified as valid agreement, voidable agreement, unenforceable agreements, then void agreement and illegal agreements. So what is agreement? Agreement means it's a promise between the two entities, means between the two parties creating the mutual obligation. Mutual obligation is necessary, forming the consideration for the each other by the law. Means agreement, first is the offer or the proposal is necessary, and with that acceptance is necessary. These agreements are classified as, first is the valid agreement. Valid means these are the agreements that are enforceable by the law. Voidable means agreements induced by the coercion, undue influence, fraud, or the misrepresentation are considered as a voidable agreement. Unenforceable agreement means if some rule of a law renders it incapable of proof because of some technical defect. Means if there is present any technical defect, that means a promissory note which is unstamped or not sufficiently stamped. So such type of agreements cannot be enforced. So it's a unenforceable agreement. Then void agreement means agreements of which the object or the consideration is unlawful. When the object is unlawful, those agreements cannot be enforced and they are called as void agreement. And last is the illegal agreements, means these are the agreements which are void because they are against the law. Thus an agreement to buy smuggled opium would be void as it is illegal.